So today I'm going to talk about the Trader Joe's Earl Grey de la Creme loose leaf black tea blend. So this is natural bergamot flavor here. I love a nice cup of tea in the morning, and I am more of a tea person than a coffee person. So black tea is Earl Grey is my favorite type of black tea, and this is an awesome blend of it. It is a loose leaf tea in this case, and I'll show you what the loose leaves look like up close in just a second. But I usually don't use a strainer, even though most people do. I don't add any honey to my tea unless I'm sick, and no sugar or sweeteners or anything like that. However, with this tea, I love making London fogs, which is where you add a little bit of milk or cream and it looks kind of foggy. Sometimes, especially with this blend, it just works really well. So over here, we have the tea itself. And let me look at this. So look how beautiful it is. Look at the colors. The blue and the yellow, and then you have the black tea leaves. It's just beautiful, and I'm going to tell you in just a sec what's in that. But basically I found this when I was shopping for a nice Earl Grey. I like to add to my collection, and I drink it in the mornings, every morning. Not this particular one every morning, but I love tea. So it smells very strong, and I don't let it steep very long because it is pretty strong, and the color of the tea when you make it is like this rich brown color, and it smells so good. And even just sitting here filming this, I can already smell it, and it's so good. I bought this about a month ago, and my boyfriend drinks it too. He loves it. It was my first time ever buying this product specifically. I drink a lot of Earl Grey, but I had always wanted to try this one. I don't travel with it. I usually just keep it in my cupboard. I find that tea needs to be kept in a dark place and stored in a place where it's not going to lose its flavor or its scent. So let's look into the ingredients of this tea. The ingredients are black tea, natural flavor, natural bergamot flavor, dried sunflower, dried corn flour, and vanilla bean. And I thought to myself that it was such an interesting combination of flavors, and it would be such a cool blend to try, and it turns out that it is so yummy. So now when you look at it, you can kind of see with the ingredients more what they are, what the yellow and the blue is. So personally, I steep it for about 3 to 5 minutes, not too long, in hot water. It's very easy to make. It's very nice blend, very smooth flavor, and it comes in this calming blue packet here. I love the color. I love the design of this. And there is a nice enclosure, so you don't have to worry about finding like a thing to close it. And it's very well closed right now, so I'm not going to even do it, with one hand. But there is a nice kind of Ziploc style closure so that there is no air getting out. There's a little here. And Trader Joe's is located in Monrovia. That's in California. I am a huge fan of their products. It is packed in the USA. Trader Joe's was founded in 1958, and it is a rapidly expanding company. And I just love their products so much, and I found that this was perfect for me. So definitely check out this Earl Grey de la Creme loose leaf black tea blend. Thanks so much for watching.